Welcome to Pouse out of the house. Today I'm running the bike in again. We've still only done 190 miles on this, so I've really got to try and work a bit harder. Having said that, the weather's been awful. I'm out with Big Pouse today. He's behind me on his Husky 701 as well. I think he's done a bit more mileage than me now, but we're still trying to get it to 600 miles. We've had such a dreadful week this past week. It's just rain, 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 and there's just no window of opportunity to get out. So it's bank holiday Sunday. I've been mowing the lawn all day. What an evening for it, because tomorrow is forecast rain all day. At this point I thought I'd mention as well, now on my channel I've actually got quite a few you know, my mod videos, the installation videos. I've got the skid plate installation, I got the stealth mirrors, how to fit them, unboxing. I've got the Husqvarna tail tidy, how to install that, how to fit the brake pads on the DRZ. We got the River Husk just over there, and that little pocket of land over the other side of the river there, that is where they do the Green Man Festival, if anyone's ever been to that. The further I'm riding on this now, the more I'm starting to enjoy it, because just then you're riding along at like 65, pull the throttle, boom, off you go. So much torque. I know I've said that before, but it's just, you know, it's a bigger engine, isn't it, and a single cylinder as well. There's so much pull on it, but it's great. It's just going to make it riding so much more fun than on the old bike. You know, that was a 400 at the end of the day. So busy. You do not normally see this many cars riding around on a Sunday evening. It is bank holiday, like I said, but I thought most people were in the pub on a bank holiday. It's a coronation weekend as well, I didn't mention that earlier. So I don't know if people have been out having parties. You'd hope that they haven't been on the old sherbets today, haven't you? Such a shame we got stuck behind all these cars. I know I can't push it on this today, but it would have been nice to have a free run down this road. Just passing through Evervale. And every time I come somewhere that I haven't been for a while, it just changes. More houses. Beautiful up here. I just love it, and I love these bikes. I mean, it's so good for this when you've got a semi-off-roading kind of bike. I mean, I look at the old days when I had the Fireblade. You would not want to be bringing that up here. I mean, you could, but it wouldn't be as fun. You can't just honk it around those bends, you know, you'd end up through a wall. I have to say, fun factor, I'm going to give it 99%. I never give anything 100, but so far, even running this in, I'm loving it, because I'm almost so excited about what I can do with it when it's running, serviced. Love it, absolutely love it. This is what it's all about now. I'm getting excited again, look. I've lost Big Pouse. He's not used to it, is he? Unless he's just looking after his bike. Testing that suspension. Now Big Pouse said something interesting. He found his suspension on the back sloppy. Now I find mine quite hard. Maybe it's alright at the back, I don't know. Maybe the front's a bit hard. But again, I think it's because of the weight. And the other thing is, I sit very far at the front of the bike when I'm chucking it round. He's a bit taller, so I think he sits a bit further back. So I did say to him, give it a go, try and sit back a little bit, sit forward I mean. Hopefully that works out for him, you know. But it's funny how with suspension, you know, they come set up when everyone says one thing's good, the other's bad. But to be honest with you, it's a very specific thing if you do it properly. Well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do anyway now is end the video, because I'm pretty sure the battery's going to go flat soon. This is a lovely little descent down the side of the mountain, so what a way to end. So just a short one today, like I say, just running the bikes in. If you're interested in the products that I use to film my videos, any of the products I use that I wear on my bike or anything like that, then you know, I'll put links to all of those in the description section below. If you're interested in any mods, the 701 or the DRZ and the Grom, I haven't done any yet, but there will be some, then check out my channel. There's going to be, you know, more and more videos coming on of those of me doing all the things to my bikes, you know, how-to tutorials, very much how I present them on my other channel, Pouse Around the House, narrowed down, no time wasting, no nonsense talk, just to the point of what you need to know. And finally, if you've enjoyed this video or enjoyed the channel, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Pouse out of the house. Ta-ta, farewell. What's the matter? What's that then?